Oh hell yeah, we're in raw chicken with them Santa's elf today. Let's check this place out. Got some elves. This is a wooden replicate of a vagina. Here's how Santa tortures the bad boys, the guys who don't eat raw chicken. And here we're making whatever this shit is. This is for the vegans. This is for the vegan food. Yeah. We try to find the Santa and wish for 7 billion subscribers for best science. That's the goal. We actually use these ones in Finland when we in the sauna. Then for the birch tree leaves, and then when we go to the sauna, then we smack ourselves with these. But we usually do it in summer, in midsummer. You agree with that? You want some raw chicken, elf? No. The elves are midgets. They're nutrient deficient. They don't know about the raw chickens and shit. Don't you? Elves only like plant-based food. They use that shit. They eat only seeds. Santa gets the raw chicken. That's why he got that big gut. The elves are doing sound healing over here. And they got all kinds of potions, coffees and shit. Destroying their nervous system. Some more torture devices. Kinda cool. Here's some more spiky torture devices. Or this is how they brush their hair. They got that tonka. We call these tonkas in Finnish. These are for the raw milk. They know what's up. I got a couple of these. These are pretty cool ones. This is a huge one for raw milk. This is kenneli. These wooden artworks. Nobody knows how to do these anymore. That's a shame. People used to do all kinds of weapons, and this is probably for killing reindeers. So we can. This is vihta, like I was explaining. We smack ourselves with the birch trees. This is their house. It's kinda touristy place. But this is this nice old log cabins. They're kinda cool. I think this is how they make reindeer sausages. This is how they make. We slept. I got fucked up, son. It's ice over here. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna be alright. Because I got raw chicken on my blood. I'm of course gonna be alright. Holy fucking shit. It's fucking icy as fuck. And my shoes are not meant for this weather. Anyway, this is how they make reindeer sausages or whatever. Let's see what else they got. I need some more raw chicken because I just got fucked up over here. Here's an old ass sauna. Some reindeer antlers. Some OG bathtubs. And here's a OG bathtub. Made from wood. And here's a little Finnish lesson for you guys. Finnish people absolutely love saunas because we gotta cope with the winter somehow. Here's the Finnish. And here's the English. Learn some Finnish, guys. That's kurki. I don't actually know what it is in. What is the English word for that bird? It's the one who brings the children in some old Disney movies. Here's a pike. Anyway, there's more saunas per capita in Finland than any other country. We absolutely love the saunas. Here's some potions. Some hay. Here's a wooden pike. That's kinda cool. Yeah, nobody knows how to. Here's some religious sauna passages. We like to mix with the Bible with the sauna. Yeah, bro. Finnish people are in love with the sauna. What else do we got? Here's where we find some old cooking devices. That's an elf. Oh man, it's slippery. Yeah, we don't want these. These ones ruin the raw chicken. But they are cool. This is old school grill. Way cooler than any grill I've ever seen. What else can we find? Is there some animals? Like these traditional people, they got all the time to do all these cool artworks. Live out here in the nature. Somebody's died here. Probably ate raw chicken or something. Other people died over here. It's a nice natural place. Very cool. Here's some boats. Old school boats. Old school houses. And saunatonttu. This is chapel. It's the chapel of the. Here's a raw chicken. Can you see it? There's a raw chicken. This is saunatonttu. We like those guys. You want some raw chicken? Oh hell yeah. This is. Oh, here's a sick kennel. That's a sick one. Let's see some raw chicken over here. In the Jesus building. Here's another sick ass keppeli with some beautiful artwork. Oh no, we got the tiny hat people over here. We gotta eat some beef heart in the chapel. It's a sick place. The sickest place I have ever eaten beef heart. Wasn't that in the Bible? Here's another cool ass artwork. What a peaceful And beautiful place to eat beef heart. I can already feel the ascension. What it is in here? Genesis. Son, I made raw chicken for you to enjoy. You decided to cook the chicken. You fool! You ruined the raw chicken, the perfect chicken. 1980, 23. You fool! Why did you cook the chicken? You ruined everything. Guys, the Bible confirmed it. Raw chicken, the only good chicken. Jesus knows. This guy ate all the raw chicken when he was growing up. Dude, you drink my raw milk. Save some for the rest of us. You asshole. Here are all the different tools you need to bash a reindeer's skull to get its brain. We got screws, hammers, all kinds of things. I would maybe choose this one. It would do the job. Couple of hand wheels. That's a friendship anvil 2020 by Seppo. Traditional Finnish name. Nobody's called Seppo anymore. And here's the biggest blowtorch or blowbulb, whatever it's called in English. This guy had a crazy setup. Sleeping in that reindeer hide. Must be comfy. Guys, we have found the sheep. The reindeers were not enough. Do the sheep want raw chicken? Do you want raw chicken? No raw chicken. The sheep are scared of raw chicken. Absolutely no raw chicken. The sheep very confused about raw chicken. Do you want raw chicken? Absolutely no raw chicken. We have found that if you have prey eyes, you absolutely hate raw chicken. That has been our conclusions thus far. There's some reindeers also. Hell yeah. Oh, these guys must love raw chicken. We found the wolves. Look at this guy just chilling on top of his crib like a boss. Oh man, I gotta feed some raw chicken to the wolves. This guy found my raw chicken. I throw some raw chicken there. He's trying to get it. He got the raw chicken. The husk. They love raw chicken. You want some more? You want some more raw chicken? I got some more raw chicken for you. Looking at each other. We got a competition. Who's gonna blink first? Oh yeah. Who's gonna blink first? He blinked. I won the wolf. Base science stronger than a wolf. Yeah, look away, bitch. Look away. I beat your ass. Look at that. He's ready for the raw chicken. He knows he's gonna have raw chicken. Raw chicken, behind you. The raw chicken is behind you, dog. Get it. Get the raw chicken. Oh, this guy smelled the raw chicken. This guy smelled the raw chicken. It's behind you guys. Let's see if they can find the raw chicken. Oh, he's finding the raw chicken. He's getting the raw chicken. Do they want the... Oh, he wanted the raw chicken. This guy got the raw chicken. Oh, these guys love the raw chicken. Too slow, bro. Too slow. This man beat your ass. We're finishing off the day in the most traditional building, ice cave. We're freaking sleeping in the ice cave tonight. Probably the best place to eat raw chicken. Just me, raw chicken and the ice. Maybe the salmon Nutella is in the ice cage. In the igloo. They could have built this little larger though. There's really no room. For a Finn like me. What a day. Lapland. Oh man. What the hell I'm doing? Lapland, what a magical place. Please sponsor the best science. So we can come here all the time. Doing our best sciences. The traditions still intact somewhat. Thanks to the tourism. I might talk about that a little bit later. But now, we gotta sleep in the ice cage. We got a nice view of the lake. Some people ice fishing there. Maybe we could go catch some fish with raw chicken. Who knows? Anything can happen in Lapland. See you guys.